Easier hotel bookings here at Paysbook. Hello Paysbookers! This is the continuation of our tutorial, and this time, it's about hotel reservations online. First, let's log into your account using your username. I already typed mine. And type your password, click the box, and then sign in. You will see important announcements pop up once you log in. As you can see, I already logged into my account. We have our dashboard here in the middle and the tabs towards the left side. Click Travel and Tours on the left side of your dashboard. Look for the master fund at the top right side of your screen. Make sure you're loaded, or else the transaction won't be processed. Then let's click for the Hotels tab. Under Hotels tab, click Destination and type for the location. Fill up the details for your check-in and check-out date. List the numbers of adults and children if any. You can add for any number of rooms if needed. Then click Search Hotel button. You will see the Paysbook is now checking the availability of the hotel you have chosen. Paysbook Travel and Tours will prompt up to the results of your chosen hotel. And here you'll choose which room you'll book by clicking Select Rooms. Then after that, you'll see the options of your choice. Once you have chosen, click Book Room. It is important to note that you are aware of the cancellation policy once you've decided for the hotel reservation. The cancellation policy says this rate is non-refundable. If you choose to change or cancel this booking, you will not be refunded any of the payment. Hover your mouse towards the hotel image and click to see more details and reviews. Fill in the details of the selected room choice, then click Book Room. Now you're set. Thank you for watching and tune in for more tutorial.